Let's see what's in store for the month of June for all the 12 zodiac signs. Let's start with Aries. So for Aries, we have got 5 of action. It says there may be challenges and different of opinions. You have to remain self-confident and assertive. Positive approach is needed. Look at the bigger picture. Now let's go for Taurus. Successful completion. A good month for you and a celebrations of all the efforts and accomplishments. Dreams coming true. Spiritual enlightenment. Clearing of purpose. Clarity in your purpose. Gemini. 7 of emotion. It's time to get to work. You have been postponing for the long. Many choices, confusions. Time to release unhealthy choices and being realistic. Now let's see what's stored in for Cancer. 6 of emotion. An emotional sign for a Cancer. Memories of the past may fill your emotions. It's better not to judge those memories. It may be good or bad. Do not judge them. Someone old friend or an acquaintance may be in touch with you, or you may in fact get into your own inner child once again. So explore your inner self. Now let's come to Leo. Oh, there are a lot of emotions today. 3 of emotion. Time for new acquaintance, connecting with old and new friends, good news coming on the way, meeting like minded thinkers. Time to expand your social circle. Open your heart to others. Virgo. An action time. Virgo. Need to find a healthy balance between your career and your personal life. Take help if needed. Sharing responsibilities will help you to loosen your burden and it will lighten up your shoulder too. Give time to rest. Libra. 8 of abundance. Time to learning and upgrading your skills, educating yourselves, joining a new course, or taking or conducting a new seminar, doing some research on a project. All this will help. Scorpio. Helper of action. Make plans and you are going to get instincts to do wonderful things. There's much more to accomplish. Need to make solid plans and then move quickly towards doing them. So it's time to give time to making your plans and working on your instincts. Sagittarius. 8 of emotion. Lot of emotions in this month of June. Your heart is longing for more. You know there is peace to achieve. And important changes may switch or come to your house. There may be a lot of changes happening. You may have to change your house or a city or a career. Some changes is there in this month of June. There are more opportunities. So accept these changes. You are ready for these changes. So creating more opportunities and experiences for you for this June. Capricorn. Ace of abundance. Resources coming your way to help you fulfill your desires. It may come in a different way or it may be a normal from a normal person coming to you. It may be an advice, or it may be an assistance, or it may be in form of money. So it could be any way it would come to you, the resources you need to fulfill your desires. A good time to start a new venture and new deals. Aquarius, two of emotion. Time to bring about improvement in relationships. A connect with the relationships will get more stronger. Time not to give up for the small things which maybe feel challenging to you right now, but this will make you more happier later. There are still hope to make the relationships, so you can work on it to make it. Last but not the least, the Pisces, the messenger of emotion. A new and emotional experiences may be coming through you from an old acquaintance, or an emotional lost emotional connect may come up. A time to reconnect with those resolving issues, maybe giving an apology or receiving apology, but working on it will bring in peace. So this was for all the 12 zodiac signs for the month of June, with lot of emotions and abundance and actions. Thank you.